Alexa, turn the ghosts on. Alright, let's make these Sherpa ghosts with holding the little pumpkin. I got a Sherpa blanket from Five Below for about $5. I got the sheets of felt from Walmart. They were super cheap, like 20 or 40 cents. I got the cones and the balls, and then I just used a half ball because it was cheaper from Michael's. They were each probably around $2 to $3. And then I got the little Sherpa pumpkin from Michael's. It was on sale, and I got that for about $5. I'm also going to use pumpkins that I previously had from Joann's. I haven't decided yet what color, but I think I'm going to try to use one of these. I like the black one, but we'll see once we get there.